KGUN 9 on your side first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Aaron Christensen.
Hey guys, we are live at Pima Animal Care Center where it is Christmas in July and we couldn't have Christmas without Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas.
Santa is here to celebrate what they have going on this weekend, the holidays, and Greta is really excited about it going on too. This is Greta, and she is a shepherd, maybe shepherd dobe mix, 1 year old, and she's good with other dogs. She would love an active family, and she wants a forever home. That is her Christmas wish. She whispered that to me a little bit earlier, so she wants to go home with you guys. Really beautiful markings on her face there. For some reason, looks like partly adobe to me, but I'm no expert. We want to give you a look at the forecast. That I'm kind of an expert on. We are expecting kind of a downturn in our monsoon here as we head through the weekend. It's going to be warm though, I'll tell you that much. In fact, we'll be near some record heat as we head through next week. Tonight though, we are looking at partly cloudy skies and an overnight low about 77 degrees, Mount Lemmon at 54. With those partly cloudy skies will come winds from the west up to 11 miles per hour. For tomorrow, there's a slim 10% chance for showers and storms, although I wouldn't worry about bringing the umbrella. Most of those are going to be over the mountains, and Mount Lemmon at 70 degrees. South-southwesterly winds anywhere from 8 to 13 miles per hour tomorrow, so looking pretty good. Across the rest of southern Arizona, Marana at 102, Wilcox 93, Oro Valley at 98, Green Valley 98, Safford at 101. And if you are headed out to Pima Animal Care Center this weekend, we're looking at 101 for your Saturday, 102 Sunday. Slim 10% chance for rain both Saturday as well as Sunday, but things are going to be fairly quiet here until we get into next week. It's Monday, Tuesday time frame when we're expecting those storms to return in earnest, about a 20 to 30% chance for storms at that point. But look at how warm we're going to get. Greta is going to be hot. Wednesday and Thursday warming to 110. If that 110 does come to fruition, that will be a record for us here in the Tucson area. All right, one last look at Greta here. She wants to go home with you. Oh, take me home. There's no need to wait until December to bring a furry friend home. They have Christmas in July, and everyone, by the way, who adopts a pet this weekend for free, I should mention, will get a gift bag and then get to pick a toy from the cat or the dog pile, depending upon which one you bring home. But Greta, I think, wants to go home with you, Guy.
Oh, really?
She picked you. You know they pick you.
Oh, I know.